Good evening, everyone. This is Kadambari Beelwar, CEO of Truss Health. Imagine waking up from your surgery, hopeful and relieved, only to find a few weeks later that something is wrong. That wound that was supposed to heal is now threatening your life. Surgical site infection is the most frequent healthcare acquired infection. Due to rise in surgeries, millions of patients get infected after surgery, and many don't see it coming until it's too late. Wounds cost over $100 billion worth of healthcare costs, and the truth is, bad outcome could have been prevented only if detected early. Truss Health is reimagining post-surgical care with its AI-driven sensor fusion technology that not only monitors, it predicts. Patients exhibit varied symptoms of infection, and we allow it to capture all the signs with our sensor fusion technology, which includes imaging, physiological markers, and biochemistry tests. Our non-invasive platform detects early physiological changes not visible to human eye days before symptoms appear. We are going to use existing CPT code to commercialize our solution. With 320K patients, we hit $100 million worth of revenue. With 313 surgeries millions done every year, we are talking about 0.1% of market. The good news is we have started 3 customer engagements, which includes one of the top largest hospitals and in contract with top hospitals systems in the world already. We are raising $1.5 million seed round using convertible note and $8 million valuation cap and 20% discount rate. Our investments already include from strategic investor called as Orthopedic Implant Company, and we've got our first VC investments from Sugiti Ventures already. Our other investors include Berkeley Angel Funds as well. Our competitive advantage is the fact that we are the only multidimensional health measuring platform. If we all go through surgery and God forbid get infected, we all see different signs, and Truss Health captures all signs to early detect infection. Where it concerns team, our team includes me as a CEO. My background is Stanford Children and Kaiser Permanente, and my co-founder is Dr. Alexis Dang, who's the chief orthopedic surgeon for San Francisco VA. Just to sum it up, we envision a future where no surgeries ever followed by unexpected tragedy. Our future of healing is Truss Health. Thank you so much for the opportunity, Tycon, and thank you so much, Patricia.
Thank you, Kat. Judges, any questions?
May I ask a question? Ranjani. So she probably has a better question than me. I'm not coming from this field. Who do you sell to? To the hospital system, to physical therapy, to patients? Who's the buyer?
Our initial ones have been discussions with the hospital system directly, but overall, hospital systems, insurance, as well as the LTAC, which is a long-term acute care, and physical therapists are the next market.
And with the user of your product, if you are going into long-term care, would the user of your product be a nurse or a nurse aide? And if you're selling to a hospital, then would the user be the patient? I'm just trying to understand, if you're saying someone has to take the pictures, someone has to get the patient to wear some kind of a sensor that tracks body temperature, so on and so forth, correct? To track infections. So who are you targeting first as the user of your product?
That's a very good question. So now wounds are 2 kinds, right? They're multiple, but mostly like chronic wounds. Where it concerns chronic wound, our users are nurse aides or technicians who basically help out doctors to get ready before the patient goes and sees the doctor with all the assessment. So that's the first. Eventually, for where it concerns the large hospital systems, we have sold to the physiotherapist group of there. And eventually, we want to reach the rural hospital where the users are the patients. Our AI guidance system is going to guide patients to take their images in a way where we get quality data.
So I had another question. I think somewhere in your deck you talked about swabs.
Yes.
And you're trying to do something like in-home swabs or something like that, or can you speak to that?
Yes, the in-home swabs, we are developing that with our OEM partners, and that is the only thing which is class 2. Our main device is the class 1 device. That swab is going to be kept at the wound care centers where the doctors swab themselves. Because what happens due the course, we've learned that the doctors do not trust the swabs which patients give. So the doctors or the nurse aides are going to be the one taking swabs. It gives you the assessment in 2 minutes, while currently most doctors wait for 2 or 3 days to get the assessment.
Are you suggesting building a new diagnostic for it, or do
Uh,
you
This,
does it,
uh,
or
this
is it something that already exists?
this is a novel diagnostic which we are building along with our OEM partner.